Picture this. It's late at night, and Lisa, a young woman, is walking home from work. The streets are eerily silent, and shadows seem to loom at every corner. Suddenly, a strange rustling sound breaks the silence, and Lisa's heart skips a beat. Fear and confusion grip her, but she doesn't panic. She reaches into her bag, and her fingers find the familiar, reassuring shape of her high luminous flashlight. This isn't just a flashlight. It's her beacon of safety in the dark, her line of defense against the unknown. With a flick of a switch, she floods the darkness with blinding light, putting the would-be assailant at a disadvantage. But Lisa knows that while powerful, the flashlight isn't infallible. It's a tool, not a guarantee. There are other means of self-defense she could employ, like the Foxhead self-defense keychain or the Strikeforce 1000 bat flashlight. Little did Lisa know, this ordinary night would turn into a lesson for everyone about the importance of self-defense. In the face of danger, Lisa reached for her high luminous flashlight. This was not any ordinary flashlight, but a secret self-defense weapon in her darkest hour. Let's explore how this simple device became her shield in the night. The high luminous flashlight is a marvel of modern technology, capable of projecting a blinding light that can disorient anyone in its path. Lisa was able to use this feature to her advantage. With a swift flick of her wrist, she activated the powerful beam, blasting it directly into the eyes of her assailant. The sudden, intense light stunned him, temporarily robbing him of his vision and giving Lisa the crucial seconds she needed to escape. But the power of the high luminous flashlight doesn't stop at its brightness. It's also a sturdy, well-constructed device designed to withstand the harshest conditions. In a pinch, it can serve as an improvised weapon. Lisa didn't have to resort to this, but knowing she could gave her an added sense of security. But let's be clear, while the high luminous flashlight was a game changer for Lisa, it's not the only self-defense tool out there. Other options, like the Foxhead self-defense keychain or the Strikeforce X1000 bat flashlight, offer different ways to stay safe. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and it's important to choose the one that suits your needs best. One potential drawback of relying solely on a flashlight for defense is that it requires a power source. Without it, you're left in the dark. That's why it's paramount to have something like a SOS solar power charger on hand. In times of blackouts or grid disruptions, whether caused by human error or Mother Nature herself, a reliable power source can make all the difference. And just like that, Lisa turned a simple flashlight into an effective defense tool. Her story serves as a reminder that with the right tools and a bit of ingenuity, we can turn everyday items into lifelines. But remember, it's essential to always hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Thanks for watching, and stay safe. This video is being brought to you by SurvivorsTV.com. We educate women on protecting themselves and their families from riots, civil unrest, or natural disasters. Sign up for our exclusive Survivors TV social media network. Get your free VIP membership at community.survivorstv.com. See you inside.